On behalf of the administration, staff, and students of Lisle High School, I would like to welcome you to our freshman orientation for the incoming class of 2028. My name is Jeff Howard, and it is my privilege to serve as Lisle's principal. This is one of my favorite events of the year. 8th graders who have climbed to the top of the junior high hill come here to discover the high school mountain that awaits them. Academic research has described the 8th to 9th grade transition as one of the strongest predictors of a student's successful future. Obviously, the changes students encounter when moving to high school are great, considering the academic, social, and personal changes students are juggling all at once. One of the great advantages of the Lisle School District is the fact that students making this shift to the high school are generally familiar with their peers, and the smaller enrollment allows for the development of important relationships with teachers and staff. In larger districts, the relationship process completely restarts in 9th grade, and students have virtually no familiarity with their surroundings, their teachers, or their peers. For our 9th graders, we encourage the maintenance of positive relationships, but at the same time, provide an environment where students are comfortable enough to develop new relationships and expand their interests beyond what they have been accustomed to. As the class of 2028 takes their first steps into high school, we want to welcome them with open arms to our One Pride. One Pride has a very special meaning for us here at the high school. It reflects the passion and purpose our students develop as they overcome rigorous challenges and find their relevance beyond Lisle into adulthood. Tonight, while we cannot show you all of the opportunities we have to offer, we hope you will leave with a feeling of excitement regarding the potential of what next year could bring. Thank you.